Yeah, that was almost a disaster. I can tell you that was almost a disaster. Okay. How in the gates of hell? That was very close. Holy cow! Well, that was very, very close. Kind of traffic today is just chaotic. in the gates of hell. That was very close. Holy cow! Well, that was very, very close. That was almost a disaster. How the hell did I find myself here? I think I came in too hot. So now, how do I even find gear 1 here? Hey, yeah. At least now this thing is off. Let me get gear 1. God damn it. Hey. Shoop. That was almost a disaster. Almost a disaster. How the heck? Well, yeah, that was almost a disaster. I can tell you that was almost a disaster. Okay. Wait a minute. That was almost a disaster. What the hell? I never saw this one. I think I came in too hot because I can see the truck. I think I came in too hot. Then when I got here, this is where I locked the brakes after realizing there's a trench. This is where I locked the brakes, the rear brake. I locked the rear brake from here. Yeah, there's like 6 or 7 meters complete locking of brakes, and then I let it go from here. I got around here and I locked it again, and you can see where I ended up. And you see this? This was me. This was me. This is where I locked it. I locked it, and then the front wheel stopped around here, almost getting into the trench head on. And this thing is deep. I think I love that bike. It has proven something else. It is safe. It has proven itself. It is safe. Because this thing is deep. I don't know whether someone can see this on video, but this thing is deep. This is a place you can somersault and hit the ground with your head. But the brakes are working. It has proven the brakes are working, because the way I locked the wheel, it worked. Actually, if I had a bike with ABS brakes, I could have hit the trench. Because ABS doesn't work off-road, it complicates everything. You can't lock the wheel the way I have done it. ABS complicates everything. Everything. Because it will lock and lock, lock and lock, lock and lock. It is back and forth until you get to wherever you are trying to avoid. You just get into it. But this one has worked. Whoa. Come on, guy, are you okay? Thank you for being a trusted partner. God damn it. Almost became a disaster. Okay, we are good. We are doing good. That is SGL. That is Mount Longonot. Well, almost at dust.